Well, everybody wanted an update on my Avalanche. I'm driving it actually currently today. I'm at our other farm here. But I was hauling out some trees and stuff from town. And I fixed the vent issue. The canister was plugged with dirt. I just blew it out, and no more check engine light. Cover's on. It just needs an engine oil pan and a transfer case housing thing. That's it. Now that ticking noise is the lifters. They have to be flushed with 1 quart of ATF before I change it 200 miles or whatever. Is what the mechanic said, so I'm gonna do that soon. She's still running good. Got a new air filter for the engine. Got a new cabin air filter. Brakes all look good. She's still running good. So I'm gonna do an update video. It's got 216,833 miles. AC's working, radio don't work, but put in drive. She goes, she runs good. No check engine light anymore, I cleared it. Oil pressure's good. So everybody was wondering how it was doing. So she's doing really good. Gotta get the 4x4 U-joints fixed and everything. She's a wee bit warm today. But other than that, this thing is treating me well. Transfer case housing's back there. It's gonna get repaired before winter. And yeah, it's still alive, guys. I just do an update. I've had somebody mention it to me. I said, well, I've been too busy to actually film a video about it and an update, but here's an update. It's still running really well. I hope it does. It's a Chevy, it should. Well, guys, I want to go out and show you something here. This is the soybeans we got a combine this year. We got about 800 acres this year, more than we usually do. So I was gonna ask my brother if we can get a GoPro and put it on the combine, but this is our soybeans. They're starting to turn already. We got some way over by the road over there. This camera does not want to. Way over by the road there, we got some over there. Our other farm way over there. This is the biggest one here. This is one where we were here last year. It took a long time. It was snowing. Sounds like I got a water pump going on. I hear it. But yeah, it looks good this year. If it don't hail out, it's hasn't yet, but you can see, where is it here? Like way over there somewhere, there's wind towers all over. That's what's supposed to be on our land here. Yeah, something don't sound good. It's going round, but whatever. It'll blow, whatever. Alright, let's put it in reverse. So, that's our soybeans here. Let's see if I can back up. I'll go on the niche and roll that sucker. But yeah, we got all them soybeans to do up here, and then there's another one over there by the road. So we got quite a few of them to do here. Man, that's what smells hot, that crap. But yeah, we got all that soybeans to do there. I just thought I'd share that with you. A lot of people have been asking what we do. We do soybeans. We don't combine corn anymore. We chop corn for the cattle and harvest wheat. That's pretty much all we do. Corn is just not worth it. I don't know why people even mess with it to dry it and stuff. It's just a pain in the butt. Oh my goodness. Somebody's been driving down this road and tearing the sucker up here. This is why I got a truck, guys. This is, a lot of people say, well, this is not a truck. Well, it is a truck because it's going through the mud. Big, huge boulders in the middle of the thing here, which I'm surprised I haven't taken my oil pan out yet. But here's our other field here. We got soybeans and cattle are in that pasture over there. I'm just checking the cattle right now. I decided to share that with you guys. A lot of people have been asking. Before, we couldn't get through here. The slough was flooded, so we couldn't take our case combine through here. We had to go around somebody else's pasture and ask permission. But this is where we've been going here and stuff. Right here is our soybeans up here. Right there in that field. looks pretty good. I don't know how it's going to yield out. It just depends on if they don't get hailed out, but that's all our soybeans. It's turning quick. And then there's a big, huge mud hole down here. People have been driving, hunters, I imagine, and they're tearing up this whole road, and I gotta slow up. I'm gotta wreck my shocks and my airbags here in this thing. It's just a mess here. Look at this. Look at that. Who the hell? Get down the ditch too far. Oh! Somebody's been down here mudding around. That's the way it is out in this farmland. Everybody just does whatever they please. But I thought I'd share it out with you guys, and there's plenty more other farms, but I don't have time to be showing you everything. I gotta take care of the farm right now.